Saturday, November 28th, 1942. Dear Kitty, we have used too much electricity ration. Result, the unmissed economy of our process kept cutting off. No light for a fortnight. A pleasant thought that. But who knew? Perhaps it won't happen at all. It's too dark. It's too dark to read in the afternoons. After 4.5 past, we pass the time in all sorts of crazy saying, asking riddles, physical trainings in dark, talking English and French, criticizing books, but it all begins to pall in the end. Yesterday evening I discovered something new. To peer through a powerful pair of field glass into the light rooms of the house and to the back. In the daytime we can't allow even as much centimeters chink to appear between our curtains. But we can't do any harm after dark. I never knew but the neighbors could be such interesting people. At any rate, ours are. I found a couple having a meal, one family acting like their home movie, and a dentist opposite attending to an old lady who was awfully scared. It always said that Mr. Dussel could get on wonderfully with children and that he loved them. Now he shows himself in true colors, too soggy, old-fashioned disciplinarian, a preacher of long, drawn-out sermons and manners. As I've used unusual good fortune to share my bedroom, alas, a small one, with his lordship, and I generally consider to be the most badly behaved of the three young people. I have lots to put up with, and have to pretend to be deaf in order to escape the old, much-repeating ticking off and warning. All this wouldn't happen to be as bad if he weren't so frightfully sneak, and he didn't pick on Mummy with all the people to sneak to every time. When I've already had those does from him, Mummy goes over and all again. So I get a gale after, and we four. Then, if I'm lucky, I've called to give an account of my honest to Miss Van Daan, and then I get veritable hurricane. Honestly, you needn't think it was easy to be badly brought up. Central figure, hypercritical family, and hiding. When I lie in my bed at night, I think over the many sins of shortcomings and attributes to me. I get so confused by it all that I'd either laugh or cry, depends what sort of mood I'm in. Then I fall asleep with this stupid feeling of wishing to be different, and what I am from what I want to be. Perhaps we have to behave differently, and from the way I have to behave or do behave. Oh, heavens above, now I'm getting you in the middle too. Forgive me. I don't like crossing things out. In these days of paper shortage, we were only allowed to throw away paper. Therefore, I can't advise you not to read the last sentence, and I'm certainly not to truly understand because you won't succeed anyway. Yours, Anne.